Welcome investors! Today we'll talk about Unity Biotechnology. Unity Biotechnology is developing therapeutics to slow, halt or reverse diseases of aging. Sounds really amazing and exciting. Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever, ever and ever? Do you remember Alphaville 1984? I was just 10 years old. So Unity Biotechnology main focus is on creating medicines that target senescence cells and aging related diseases. Senescence cells are created when normally functioning cells can live and no longer can divide themselves. Basically, what a senescence cells means, it means a dead cell. Those senescence cells are suspected to be causing inflammation, and in the next step they are linked to all kinds of chronic diseases. Obviously, when we get older, we have more and more those senescence cells in our body. So what Unity Biotechnology wants to do is to remove those dead cells from our body in order to heal our bodies. Is it possible to heal our body and reverse the aging process by removing those senescent cells from our organism? If you want to find out, keep watching. Don't go anywhere. So this video is a request from Violex Chao because he or she is probably considering investing into Unity Biotechnology. Unity Biotechnology is a relatively small company. Market cap is $324 million. Total debt $64 million. Cash on hands $132 million. So looks like a really healthy balance sheet for such a small company. It is also worth mentioning that Jeff Bezos is one of the investors into the company. This definitely is a great public relation for the company if you have the richest guy on earth investing into the company. So I will talk about Unity Biotechnology product. I will not analyze the stock and financials because they don't make any money. And their future product is the most important asset they have right now. Their product will make Unity Biotechnology a great company, or it will break company in the future. So the company's main product is a drug called UBX0101 that is in the phase 2 clinical trial for osteoarthritis diseases. And we have a really big setback here on the beginning because the company reported disappointing results from the clinical trial involving its lead drug candidate, UBX0101. Those results caused share of the company to drop over 60% on August 17, 2020. So I will ask a very hard question right now, and I'll try to answer this question. Why did they get disappointing results from the clinical trials? So I did a little digging into the company presentation for investors, and this is what I found. So please take a look closer at this. This is from September 2020. I'll post the link to this so you can review this later again on your own. So let's take a look at the page 6 and then page 9. Entire presentation has 32 pages, and you're welcome to take a look and study the entire presentation. But Right now, here, I'll focus only on very important statements made by Unity Biotechnology. At the page 6 of the presentation for investors, you will find an essence of this, what Unity Biotechnology wants to do. And let me quote the sentence from their presentation. Selectively eliminating senescent cells targets a root cause of age-related diseases. Remember this sentence, because this summarizes the ultimate goal of the Unity Biotechnology. Now let's take a look at page 9 of the presentation, which describes how Unity wants to achieve their elimination of the root cause of age-related diseases. On page 9, you have the explanation how the senescent cells are being eliminated. You can see that a healthy cell is under cellular stress, and this is causing the accumulation of the senescent cells, and this is causing inflammation, and inflammation is the beginning of the most of the diseases. Then you can see senolytic TX being applied to the cells, and senolytic is causing the senescent cells to be eliminated. And further, you can see that when senescent cells are eliminated, then the disease is eliminated and the tissue is functional again and healthy. Sounds great and simple. And if it was in reality that simple, we all would live hundreds of years. But reality is much harsher and brutal. And this model shown by Unity Biotechnology has many underlying problems. First of all, when you are applying senolytic TX, you are not eliminating a root cause of the disease like they said in the beginning. You are eliminating just a symptoms created by diseased cells. It is already too late. Cells are already dying. The root cause of the disease already started proliferating into the cells. Cells are already inflamed and dysfunctional. In order to really eliminate the root cause of the disease, you have to start much earlier than waiting for the cells to already die and then apply senolytic. Eliminating a root cause of the disease is multi-level process, not limited to just injecting the senolytic TX into the already senescence or dead tissue. And by the way, senolytic is just a fancy name for a special antioxidant food, like for example turmeric. Everybody knows what the turmeric is and how it works. So in order to eliminate the disease, you have to eliminate the cause of the disease, not the results like Unity Biotechnology is trying to do. Their strategy is deeply wrong because they are really trying to eliminate results and manifestation of the disease, not the true cause of the disease. That's why this company for me doesn't really present a real investment opportunity, because there's nothing special inside this what they are doing if you take a closer look into this presentation. Maybe they will be bought by the bigger pharmaceutical company in the future, but entire concept which they are presenting here about curing age-related diseases by eliminating senescent cells is a dead-end road, in my opinion. If this was such a miraculous way to keep us from aging, then it would be already more popular and in use by now, because cell senescence is already being studied for the past 10 years by some and other scientists. And this is about how old the Unity Biotechnology is old as well, 10 years. And it really doesn't matter to me also that Jeff Bezos is investing into the company. Plenty of very wealthy people are making huge investment mistakes all the time. In fact, that someone that has a lot of money doesn't really mean that they are right with all their investment decisions. Example, last year, my hero Warren Buffett sold all his airline shares and Berkshire lost around $7 billion. So I predict kind of similar situation here with Jeff Bezos. Just much less money wasted because he invested here around $140 million. Correct me if I'm wrong. So that's it for today. And Violex Chao, sorry for disappointing you if you were planning to invest into Unity Biotechnology, but this is my opinion about the company after doing some digging. But remember, this is a subjective opinion of very simple investor like me, and this company might turn out to be a great investment, but I'm not putting a dime into this company after doing this quick research. That was a pleasure to do this research. Thank you for giving me idea to do the study, because health related issues are actually my really favorite things, and I like doing this. So thank you again for your comment. And if you like this video, like always, hit the thumb up, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter. I deeply appreciate your help with building this channel. Thank you again for spending your valuable time. Have a great day.